Similar to normal algebraic operations, we can add and subtract matrices. Let's start with addition. This is an extremely easy operation. There is only one condition. The two matrices must have the same dimensions. Say we have the two matrices M1 and M2. M1 has elements 5, 12, 6, and -3, 0, and 14, and M2 contains 9, 8, 7, and 1, 3, and -5. As you can see, they are both 2 by 3 matrices. If I want to add the two, all I need to do is add the corresponding entries one with the other. The result is a new 2 by 3 matrix. For the element at position 1, 1, we have 5 plus 9. For the element at position 1, 2, we have 12 plus 8. We continue adding them until position 2, 3, where we've got 14 plus -5. All we have left is to make the simple calculations and reach the solution. 14, 20, 13 on the first row, -2, 3, and 9 on the second. And that's the result. Simple as that. If I want to add the matrices in Python, I'd need to declare them and simply use a plus sign. Cool! Now, as you are aware, subtraction is just a type of addition, so same rules apply there. Let's have these two matrices instead. In order to find the difference between the two matrices, we just need to calculate the differences between each two corresponding elements. Note that the two matrices have the same dimensions once again, this time 2 by 2. The final result is -2, 8 on the first row, and 5 minus 4 on the second. In terms of coding, things are no different. We declare the two matrices and find their difference. Okay, great! Finally, I'll give a different example, so you can see that we can do the same with floats as well. The two matrices are both 3 by 2, so they are compatible. Here's the result. What about vectors? Since vectors are nothing more than one-dimensional matrices, same rules apply. Let's take the vector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the vector 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and add them together. With vectors, we only care about the length. The two vectors have the same length, 5, so they are compatible. There is only one way to add them up. First element with first element, second element with second, and so on. The result is a vector of length 5, where all entries are 6s. What about the difference? It is a vector of length 5 with elements -4, -2, 0, 2, and 4. All right, let's wrap it up here. Please have a go at the practice problems after this lecture. Thanks for watching.